Hi, I'm Margahi and I'm here to talk about my final models in week 4 and 5. Let's have a look at week 4, shall we? I decided on creating a continuity. This is due having similar structural systems to my week 3 challenge 6 model, which was based on a port crane. As shown in my week 4 model, I was able to test lateral forces by adding to both point leads and by pointing finger on each side of the model, as shown. Both were able to withstand both forces, but however, I was not very happy. This is due to my columns being very weak when I was applying pressure or adding on the weight to the battery, using the battery as weight. This is due to having lack of trusses and support to maintain heavier weight on each side. However, this is based on the design of a cavalier on a garage, really. Now, on to week 5. I was maintaining course on creating a crane, really, as the structural systems would be a massive improvement for my week 4 model, as shown. Now let's have a look into my week 5 studio session papers. You will find two of my previous models. Firstly, my first model, I've decided I was taking week 1's approach. I was trying to create a light as possible crane. I was using less material usage and reduced costs, but in my case, less spaghetti. But of course, it broke after placing the 4th battery. As shown, the compression failure was throughout the whole model. Alright, let's have a look at my model 2. I decided to take the approach of week 2 demo 2 vertical tower. I personally like this structure due to the truss beams added. It provide stability. When I even apply pressure right now, it won't budge. And then I also followed my challenge 6 vertiforces, as you know, as such a crane usually would have one. As you can see, it's pretty sturdy. And you can see I decided to have 2 point leads, one at the back. On a crane usually has an office, and the other side would have I don't know, the materials pulling up and down. And then it obviously worked with my second model, but I did not have this. Let's pretend that it doesn't exist. But my second model, all I had was this vertical tower and this, I guess, support beam with the material. It worked. I put all my batteries that I have. They held them correctly, properly, fine. However, I thought I can improve on that. So I went on and built a 3rd model, which also has this. As you can see, I used both sides vertical force to maintain less pressure on my truss beams right here. Yeah, okay. Thank you for listening.